This is a tutorial on how to change the output voltage and frequency on the UX Series Power Exchanger step-up voltage and frequency converter. To start, we're going to hold the up and down button here at the same time until you get to the frequency selection screen. So right now the output bit is set to 50 Hertz, and if you hold up, you can change it to 60. If you hold down, it'll go down back to 50. Now if you press both buttons again, you'll be taken to the voltage output selection screen. To take the voltage down, hold down. To take the voltage back up, you're going to want to hold up. Now it is a little finicky, so the longer you hold it, the higher it's going to adjust. You can do micro adjustments by letting go a little earlier. You can see we can take it down to 230 and then back down to 220. Press both buttons again to confirm your selection.